Hey, welcome to Trek Bikes. Come on in, we'll show you around. So this is our store. We have everything you would need from your cruisers all the way to all your apparel and accessories that you would need to outfit yourself and keep you comfortable and safe on your ride. And then everything you would need to accessorize your bike to make sure that your bike is running and fully functional to everything that you would need to have the best ride possible while you're out there on the road and or on the trail. Over here, you'll see our service department. This is Corey, our service manager.
Hey, we have a full service bike shop. We do almost all repairs on almost all types of bikes. So bring your bikes down and we'll check them out and get them fixed up for you.
All right, and then we'll come right over here. This is mainly, once again, your accessories, your entry point, and then we have our bike showroom right over here, where other than your cruisers, we're gonna have everything from your mountain bikes, full suspension, e-mountain bikes, hardtails, to road bikes, gravel bikes, pedal assist road bikes as well, to even your more relaxed hybrid styles, so for any type of riding that you are looking for. And then the best kind, so that your little guys and girls can ride with you. We also have your kids' bikes right over here, so we can get them outfitted and measured up to get them on the correct bike for their best experience as well.
Okay, so how do we find you online?
You can go to trekbikes.com and then do store locator next to you, and we should come right up to Castro Valley Trek Bikes, and we are always here to service you.
All right, thank you. And what about your social media?
Social media, it'll just be, we have a Facebook page that you can follow for the Castro Valley Bikes, Trek Bikes. Other than that, our social media, Twitter is run by our corporate office, and so it would just be Trek Bikes on Twitter and or Snapchat.
All right, thank you.
Of course, thank you.